need. So grab your tools, join the fun, let's plant a brighter seed. Perfect gardens where it all comes alive. Healthy plants, healthy life, what you run and drive. The best of the best, we're here to inspire. Growing dreams together, setting hearts on fire. From veggies to blooms and soil that's rich and clean, we'll guide you through the seasons, keeping your plants serene. Sustainable and simple, that's our way to grow. Let's cultivate the love that you love to sow. Perfect gardens where it all comes alive. Healthy plants, healthy life, watch your garden thrive. The best of the best, we're here to inspire. Growing dreams together, setting our hearts on fire.